Technology, engineering and maths, and it's an initiative that is being pursued by the Royal Aeronautical Society throughout the UK. Percival Provost flies into the air to position.
Well, the Belgians gave us mayonnaise on Fritz, they gave us pyro. So pilots make everything that you see look so easy, but it belies the hours and hours of dedicated practice and years of skill built up, many different sorts of flying experience that allows them to make these shows look so easy, and in actual fact require a tremendous amount of confidence. A tremendous amount of concentration that is necessary during these displays. But wonderful that another example of a fine old biplane from the 1930s is being kept in the skies.
Head for the wind farm. 230°07.
Those old school
Okay, you can see the Provost is coming in early.
Just a slight break in the shop routine to allow the Provost to come back onto runway 21, and then we should get a solo element from the stop.
Obviously the interruptions are not planned.
Yes, please, just hold there for a second.
No, but it's an indication of where if a pilot thinks something isn't right, they're going to return to base straight away, so absolutely the right decision to make.
Yes, we've had a couple of instances this year, and it shows that the measures that we have in place at Shuttleworth are really good.
Of and in for Newbury, and this very much a development of some of the German pre-war gliders that I mentioned earlier. Many of